In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a housekeeper does on a daily basis. You ready? Let's go. Welcome, I'm Malachi Simmons Jr. and this is Hotel Soldier, where the mission is to provide you all things hotel to your front line. Now on this channel, I give you the 3 I's, which is information, instructions, and interviews. Information on all things in the hotel industry, instructions on various tasks in the hotel industry, and interviews with individuals associated with the hotel industry. Now if you're new to Hotel Soldier and you want to see this video and other videos like this video, hit the red subscribe button on the bottom for Hotel Soldier. Now the hotel housekeepers are individual to get your room and your accommodation ready for your visit. They clean, they stock, they prep, and they make sure everything's in working order for your stay. Now let's go and let's talk to a housekeeper and see what they do on a daily basis. So I'm here at one of my local hotels with one of my housekeepers, Latanya. Latanya, how you doing today?
I'm good, Malachi. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm good. So it's housekeeping. What exactly is it?
Housekeeping is to come into the rooms and get them prepared, clean them thoroughly for our guests.
Okay, so just the inside room, anything on the outside?
We actually start with the outside of the room. We start with the entranceway of the room and to clean off the doors, the doorknobs, and just things like that.
Okay, so on the housekeeping itself, any dislikes you like about the hotel?
There are dislikes. My main dislike is the time frame that they give us. I personally don't think they give us enough time to thoroughly clean the rooms and get them prepared for the guests as I would like. So that's like my dislike. That's my main dislike.
So what about any likes?
My likes should be, I would say, after we clean the room, how it ends up looking after we do clean the room. I like that. I like to get it prepared to look as if no one ever been in that room before. So okay. That's my like.
So you open the door, you come inside, and what's the first thing you do?
The first thing I would do would come in and I would strip the bed. And I would check up underneath the bed to make sure there's no personal belongings that's been left behind. My second step would be to go to all the sitting areas to make sure nothing's left behind in those, down in the couches, the cushion areas. Third step will be to go into the bathroom and clear out the trash, anything that's left behind in there.
So we already come inside, we strip the bed, went to the living room area, check inside this, check inside that, went to the bathroom, and this and forth. And so what's the next step behind that?
Is to start the cleaning process. To start making sure everything's, comes together. It just goes in step by step. You just start cleaning everything and, get it prepared.
So the cleaning process we talk about, like, these in here? What's these?
Yes, indeed. These are our cleaning rags right here. This rag is an indication of that we clean with our for the bathroom.
Okay.
This rag right here would be for our hardwood surfaces.
Hardwood surface?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
And then this rag right here would be for our glass surfaces, for our mirrors and our TV screens, stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes.
So we come in the room, we strip the bed, took care of the living room area, went to the bathroom, started cleaning, and once we're done with all this cleaning, we just put it back together.
Put it all back together, pretty much, basically.
Okay. And we just basically getting ready for the next guest.
And get it ready for the next guest.
Okay. And you do this all day long?
All day long.
Okay.
That's my job.
I can truly say that. I can think that you are a real hotel soldier.
Yes, indeed.
Now, there is one more piece of equipment I want to share with you that a housekeeper uses on their daily mission to clean. Now, in the military, my brothers and sisters in the Coast Guard, they may come to battle on a helicopter. My Marines may come to battle on an amphibious vehicle. My sailors may come to battle on a ship. My airmen may come to battle on an airplane. Us soldiers, we may come to battle on a tank. Well, in the hotel world, housekeepers, they may come to battle on one of these housekeeping carts. Now, the housekeeping cart may be designated or set up to do a certain number of rooms a day. Housekeeping cart may set up to do maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6 rooms. Now, this particular cart right here, we have it set up. We have toilet tissue for the bathroom, rags for the kitchen towels, face cloths, hand towels, bath towels, bath mats, pillowcases, fitted sheets, and flat sheets. Now, the hotel might be set up and designated to have a certain number of sheets and blankets on it. Depends on what type of rooms they have. They may have an ample number of doubles versus kings, so they might keep just doubles on the carts, and if you need it, just go get a king sheet as needed. Now, also on this cart, on the top, we may have some soaps, toothbrushes, toothpastes, ink pens, pads, clipboards for daily assignments. We call them boards. So on your board or your daily assignment day, you may have 313 is checking out today, or 314 maybe staying over, or 315 don't want any service at all. Gloves for cleaning. A TV remote, which is probably the most essential item in the room next to the bed, because every guest has to have a TV remote. Trash bags. Cups. Cups might be into the bathroom or outside the bathroom next to maybe an ice bucket somewhere. Tissue. Paper towels. And these paper towels may be designated to go in certain areas throughout the hotel, because housekeepers may clean throughout the hotel as well. Certain chemicals. Certain chemicals you may have to do hardwood surfaces. Certain chemicals you may have to do the bathroom. Certain chemicals you may have to do the glass. Certain chemicals do hardwood floors. And certain chemicals to freshen up the room. All designated by a certain color. Also mops. Broom. Also on this side of the cart, we have a bag designated just for trash. Housekeepers come inside, they collect all the trash, dump it in a bag, empty it later. Also, step ladder. Housekeepers use it to get into high places they can't get to normally, such on top of cabinets, picture frames, high ceilings. This bag designated for dirty linen, towels, face cloths, sheets, blankets, and this one. Dustpan. And also your vacuum. attached to the side by a special cord. So the housekeeper don't be walking down the hall, dragging the vacuum behind them with the housekeeping cart. This is already attached to the side of the housekeeping cart itself. And that is simply your housekeeping cart. Now the Hotel Housekeeper is at Hotel Soldier to get your room or your accommodations ready before you arrive. Now make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, hit the red subscribe button for Hotel Soldier, where the mission is to provide you all things hotel to your front lines.